A dog's fidelity. A family in the street where I live treats their dog badly. Sometimes they go away for weeks and leave the dog in the street to fend for itself. I look after the dog, feed and groom it, and takes it for walks. But when the dog's owners come back, it goes home to them, waits for scraps of food that gets thrown out of the window. And it gets scruffy and thin by the hour. I wanted to go to their house, knock on the door and ask if I could take over the dog. But the dog growler that wouldn't let me near the house. The owners of the dog have left. I don't know how long they will be away. The dog sits outside my house now, waits for me to feed and groom it, and it is ever so friendly. But I feel betrayed. And have not fed it for days. And I chase it away when I go for my walks. I cannot sleep. And it is late. I know the dog sits on my steps and waits for me to feed it.